Welcome everybody. Today I'll be showing the assembly process for the foam mount bezel I've designed for the FD RX7. This will show you what to expect if you buy the kit from me or if you print out the files yourself. Let's get started. So in the box you'll find the bezel you ordered. This is the left-hand drive version. I also have right-hand drive and no phone mount versions available. Here's the optional PFC commander adapter and 4 M3 mounting bolts. Separately you'll need to purchase this model of phone mount that integrates with the bezel. Let's open up the phone mount. Here you can see the locking lever. First thing to remove is the ball mount from the back with pliers or a vise. You can toss that away since you won't need it. Then using a metric set of Allen wrenches, we'll disassemble the mount itself so it can be installed on the bezel. If the lever on the back isn't oriented roughly in the same direction seen here when in the lock position, you can reposition it by undoing the screw that holds the lever in and repositioning on the hexagonal post that it sits on. The spring-loaded post extends slightly from the holes when fully retracted, so to install the mount on the bezel, we'll have to lock it in a slightly extended position as you can see here. When you've got everything set up, take the phone mount and press it into the bezel. It should be snug, but not too difficult to install by hand. When the surface of the bezel and phone mount are flush, it's fully seated. Then the other piece of the phone mount can be pressed in and screwed in using the 2 screws we've removed earlier. And with that, it's ready to install in the car. So here in the car you can see I have the bezel ready and the head unit surround removed. Now it's simply a matter of pressing it into place. It might be a bit snug, but it should pop in place without too much force. Then take your 4 M3 bolts from the kit and screw the bezel into place. With that, your installation is done. Now you can mount your phone, or with the PFC adapter, you can mount your PFC commander, which should slide and click into place. That's pretty much it. If you want one of these for yourself, please see my contact info and pricing in the description. Have a great day. Thanks.